A few years ago, Lee Strobel wrote a book called Case for a Creator. And in that book, he interviewed Dr. Robin Collins, who used this example. If astronauts from Earth were to land on the planet Mars, and they were to discover on Mars a bubble that had a biosphere within it, and they went into the bubble and they found that the room temperature was 21 degrees, and everything was very comfortable within that little bubble. And they saw on a panel 30 different gauges where everything conceivable was being regulated by these gauges with great precision. Room temperature, the amount of humidity in the air, the ratio of oxygen and nitrogen and argon and CO2, and if all of these gauges had regulated the removal of waste and the production of energy and the provision of food, and everything that was done over 30 different gauges was done to provide the most beneficial, comfortable, life-permitting scenario. If you saw that, if those astronauts were to encounter that, what would they expect? Would they expect that that just happened to be by chance? When every one of those gauges had great ranges that they could have been set at, but were precisely set to be at the optimal life-permitting range. Naturally, somebody would expect that somebody had been there ahead of time, had designed, had built, and had calibrated those things to maximize life. That's what we've got on this earth. That's what scientists are now seeing in terms of the physical constants and the fine-tuning of this place that we call Earth. Robin Collins went on to say, these are inflationary times, and the cost of atheism has just gone up. Paul said it this way, for since the creation of the world, God's invisible qualities, his eternal power and divine nature, have been clearly seen, being understood from what has been made, so that men are without excuse.